Okay, so day 2, we're back where we started with this same simulator, which you click on slide 2, click on that hyperlink, it'll take you right back into this thing, and we're gonna look at this. Now, if it doesn't work, you can just watch the video and we can kinda go along together. But slide 3 says this, "From the pull-down menu, select Sun and Planet." So from the pull-down menu, select Sun and Planet right there. It's gonna maneuver it just a little bit differently for you. Now complete the data table by changing the mass of the sun, body 1, as shown. This is your data table right here, remember? This is the data table. So you're going to manipulate each time this right here for the mass of the sun. The planet stays the same. And then we're going to record the time of one orbit year. And then we're going to also measure two things. So let's take a look at this. The first one says the sun should be 200. It's already set there. So I'm going to hit start like this, and I'm going to stop it right there. My time, 8.3. So I go back over here, and I type in my time of 1 year orbit, 8.3. Now I'm going to measure the distance. So I'm going to grab this tape measure right here, and I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to measure the distance. I'll go from the center out to the side, and it looks like 150. And there's two different distances you'll see on here. Closest distance to the sun, perihelion, or aphelion, farthest distance. So the closest and the farthest. So there's 150. And if I take this thing and I go on the opposite side, over here, you'll notice that this one is actually a slight bit closer if I put this in the same place. So the closest is 147, and the furthest is 150. Now it says to change this. So I'm going to take the tape measure away. We're going to reset. I'm going to change from 200 to 400 like this. I hit start. Oh, snap, reset, start. I stop it there. 3.2 is the time. 3.2 is the time of one orbit year. 3.2. Take out my tape measure again, and I measure the two. So here's the first one here. 148 is the furthest. 148. And the closest is, holy cow, way closer. 49 is the closest. 49. Data should look something like this so far, where you have the time here, the closest, and the furthest. Okay. Keep working on that data chart. Keep doing what I showed you to do. And if you are having troubles with this, I apologize. It might be difficult. We'll try to figure an alternate way.